All right, third graders, here's your assignment. I want you to make a poster, and it must be about this: protect your family from fire. What? You finished already? Well, ABC 2 News' Preston Mitchum shows us the winners.
Along the stage at Loch Raven High School, artwork.
That is awesome.
Well, it is pretty awesome. What's so awesome is the message.
So your family won't get hurt from fire?
Kiara, you said it, and 42 other Baltimore County students got it.
Third graders across Baltimore County are asked to make a poster depicting the theme. This year's theme is Protect Your Family from Fire.
The annual Baltimore County Fire Prevention Poster Contest event brought out some proud parents and excited kids. Picking the winners wasn't easy with more than 100 entries.
And from those posters, fire department personnel picked the winners.
One of those proud parents is Kiara's father, Charles Smith.
Like 2 weeks ago, we was talking about it because smoke went off, and I said, so what are you going to do? And she was like, stop, drop, and roll. I said, where are you going to roll to? And so then we decided to make our escape plans.
A creative way to get the message across about the importance of fire safety. Prizes included money, an Orioles hat, and fire safety packets. And tonight, everyone was a winner.
Because it's just so cool, because I got fourth place.
In Towson, Preston Mitchum, ABC.